I will replace EAS alarms with my voice. Let's figure out which one is the funniest sound I've ever seen. I'm gonna rate this out of... The first country is... United States. Okay, I will remaster the sound. It's kind of average, but 6 out of 10. Next country is Brazil. Okay, I will remaster the sound. Okay, that cracked me up, but 8 out of 10. Next country, Empire of Japan. Okay, I will remaster the sound. Lame. 2 out of 10. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Next country, Argentina.
Emergencia nacional, esto no es un simulacro, esto no es un simulacro.
That's the tricky one I'll remaster. Sorry. Let's try it again. Banger! That made me laugh so hard. 10 out of 10! The best one. Also, I have enough in the EAS alarm. So, thank you for watching. Subscribe and like for more videos and updates. Well, see you later.